Are you looking for a company to remodel or renovate your basement but don't know where to start? No worries. Forte Construction and Design can help. Forte Construction and Design does complete basement remodeling and renovations at an affordable price and works with your budget. Forte Construction and Design manages the project from start to finish and covers all aspects of the project. With Forte Construction and Design, there is no having to deal with multiple companies or crews, and no need to go anywhere else for any part of the project, to include the painting, flooring, plumbing, or electrical work. Forte Construction and Design does it all. Transform your unfinished or previously finished basement into a healthier, more comfortable living area. With Forte Construction and Design, you can turn your basement into a bar, billiard room, exercise room, game room, craft room, yoga room, photo studio, theater room, or even a new space where your children can play safely. No job is too big or too small. Whatever you imagine is your dream basement, Forte Construction and Design can make your dream come true. Call us today at 540-681-1846 to schedule for your free estimate.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.